Hey everyone, it's Shelby. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this week's meal plan. This week, towards the end of the week, Ken and I are going to be traveling to California. So I really want to keep this menu very easy this week. Monday, we're having the Asian chicken salad, and it is one of my favorite salads of all time. I'll put the link to the marinade I use for the chicken. It's a Thai coconut marinade. It is delicious. And as well as the recipe for the salad and the dressing. Tuesday, we're having some of those tamales that we made. The red pork tamales, rice and beans. Delish. And if you want to see how to make those, I'll put the recipe link in the description box. I did a recipe share video showing how to make the tamales from beginning to end. Wednesday, we're having barbecue pulled pork sandwiches, coleslaw, and pineapple. I have a doctor appointment that day, and we're keeping dinner very simple using our freezer. Thursday, a very simple spaghetti and meat sauce, Parmesan cheese, ciabatta garlic bread. I'm using some of that compound garlic butter that I love, and I'll put that recipe in the description box. You got to make that for sure. Tossed salad, ranch dressing. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are going to be freezer meals that I prepped ahead of time. Getting ready to make these Oriental chicken salads. I have some romaine lettuce on the plate. I'm going to add some red cabbage just to give it some color. I love these salads. And then just add some carrots that are shredded. It's all about the color. Oops. Just dropped some carrots in my dressing. Okay. Red bell pepper. Some snow peas. I like to add some scallions that have been chopped. Some water chestnuts sliced. Sprinkle some of those on. If you had some bean sprouts, you could put those on as well. I don't have any. Our grocery store did not carry them this week. I like these mandarin oranges too. Just kind of adds a little something. Uh-oh. Get back there. And I have some grilled chicken. This was in a Thai coconut marinade. I'll put that recipe in the description box below if you're interested. I usually do a whole bunch of chicken breasts and marinate them. Make some packets for the freezer. Makes it easy to just take it out and grill. And then I like to put on the top some chow mein noodles and sliced almonds just for some crunch. Alright, so that's the salad. Let me show you the dressing. In my bowl, I have about 1/4 cup of mayo, 3 tablespoons of honey, a teaspoon of Dijon Mustard. I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Just going to eyeball it. And then just about a little bit of sesame oil, maybe like 1/8 of a teaspoon. Give everything a big stir. Then just go ahead and dress the salad. And this is delicious. I meal prep these sometimes. I think I'm going to meal prep a few actually today. There you have it. That's the Oriental chicken salad with the Thai coconut chicken. For dinner, we're having the red pork tamales, rice and beans. And these tamales are so delicious. You can see how much meat is on the inside of these tamales. Quite a bit. For dinner tonight, we're having barbecue pork sandwiches on garlic ciabatta bread with some fresh pineapple. and coleslaw on top. For dinner tonight, we have spaghetti and meat sauce, a nice tossed salad that Ken made, and he also did some garlic ciabatta bread in the oven. Looks delicious. Here is the Mississippi roast that I freezer prepped a week or so ago and put in these food saver bags. I also made garlic mashed potatoes. All you need to do is place the individual packages in a pot of boiling water and simmer until they are heated through. I went ahead and added enough for our family for dinner, and they're just going to heat up, and then we can serve them. Okay, to plate, all you have to do is cut this open and put it on the plate. Ooh, it's hot. Yeah, we used to do this a lot when we used to go camping. We'd make food and then put them in these food saver bags and then just heat them up when, boil a pot of water. And it really helped with the dishes and stuff. You didn't have a lot of dirty dishes, pots and pans and things like that. All right. Just gonna add some veg, and dinner is served. And that was a really easy dinner to get on the table. Love it. I did a lot of freezer prep, so Saturday the boys can have these freezer pizzas. If you haven't seen that video, I would encourage you to go look at it. If you have kids, you can make these freezer pizzas, and they're pennies on the dollar, and they heat up so beautifully. So they're going to have this on Saturday and a big tossed salad. And I also freezer prepped for them on Sunday. There's a big casserole of lasagna. I used the no-bake noodles. That's kind of key, I think. And there's garlic bread there. So they'll heat that up and have a salad, and that'll be really great for them. These are the no-bake noodles from Trader Joe's. So this is what the noodles look like. They're no-bake noodles. So you just put together your lasagna, use these just as they are. And I have found that these freeze really well. I have one of these French breads, and I'm going to prepare this for the freezer for the boys. Going to go ahead and cut this horizontally. And then I have some of that garlic compound butter that I make and keep in the freezer. It's really handy to have on hand. I'm just going to start smearing it on the bread. This has garlic and shallots, a little bit of lemon, salt, pepper, a little bit of parsley. So convenient to have on hand. You can use it for cooking shrimp or putting it in your scalloped potatoes. It's just a wonderful compound butter to be able to pull from the freezer and have it all ready. Saves a lot of time. When butter's on sale, you could make some of it ahead and have it. Okay, that looks pretty good. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to go ahead and put this together. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut it into pieces. Oops, get back there. Next, I'm just going to wrap it up in some foil so they can take it right from the freezer take it out, you know, a little bit before they want to enjoy it, and then just toast it off in the oven. And they'll have some wonderful garlic bread. Well, that's our meal plan for the week, and I hope that I illustrated how you can make your freezer really work for you using the method like we showed in the Mississippi roast, where you could use that for a camping trip. How exciting would that be? Or, you know, getting ahead on a pizza night and, you know, putting a casserole away. So that's what we got going on, and I'll put all the recipe links in the description box below. You guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you later.